So we got our switch right here, and we have a lot of fingerprints and dust on the screen. So first, let's go ahead. Let's take our wet wipe right here. Let's open it up, and let's wipe down our screen. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the amFilm tempered glass screen protector for the Nintendo Switch. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a very nice and simple retail box. We have a 2-pack of glass screen protectors for our Nintendo Switch with a 9H hardness, so it's going to have a lot of scratch resistance. And it's going to be ultra clear and easy to install. Thanks to this being glass, we should have a bubble-free installation. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our warranty card followed by our installation guide complete with the QR code and their customer service information on the back side. You can see we have 9 simple steps to get our screen protector installed. Next, we have a microfiber cloth, and we have a nice application tool right here that you can easily press down firmly your screen protector, helps with installation. Then you can see we have 2 packs of wipes right here. Both are labeled step 1 and step 2, so we're going to be using 1 pack for each screen protector. The first step is the wet wipe, the second step is the dry wipe. Then you can see we have our lint removal stickers right here. These are very helpful for any fine dust and debris on the screen after you've used both wipes. And then last but not least, you can see we have both of our tempered glass screen protectors right here. So check that out. They have the nice cutouts for your Switch. And then we have our sticker right here letting us know to remove this film as we apply it to the screen. So that's it, guys. That's all the contents. Now let's go ahead, let's get our Switch and let's get this installed. So we got our Switch right here, and we have a lot of fingerprints and dust on the screen. So first, let's go ahead, let's take our wet wipe right here. Let's open it up and let's wipe down our screen. It's pretty damp to the touch, which is nice. So we're gonna wipe down the screen first, clean it from any fingerprint smudge, anything like that. We don't want any smudges on there. All right, now we'll set that off to the side. Next, we're going to use our dry wipe. We're going to just gently dry everything off. And I can see we still kind of got a smudge on this side of the display. So we're going to get that wet again and then come back through. Almost off. We might have to do that one more time. So there we go. We now have our screen dried, and I can still see there are a couple of pieces of lint and dust still on the screen. So at this stage, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to take one of these stickers right here. We're going to remove it, and we're going to use it to get rid of anything else on the screen, just like you see right here. Pulling it up. Get everything out of the screen. So there we go. Looks a lot better, drastically better right here. Okay, there's a couple more, because you really don't want anything to be on the screen when you put that tempered glass protector down. And then I noticed, we're going to set that back on there. I have a couple more smudges off to the side, I think from fingerprints. So we're going to tidy those up too right now. This is the hardest step. You just want to make sure you take your time and you get everything done properly. Still have those smudges right here. So I'm not sure at that point. Some of those might just be scuffs from the docking station. That's kind of my guess. And I'm being really picky right there. All right, so everything looks pretty good. Let's take this sticker back again. Now let's touch up the area we were just wiping again. All right, there we go. I'm really happy with that. Now let's go ahead. Let's get our tempered glass screen protector installed. So on the screen, we're going to peel this back. Do not touch this side. But we have nice tabs right here that we can touch to hold it. And then we're just going to line it up in place. And you can see we have a couple sensors and cutouts down here. And basically it's going to go to the very edge of the switch and should line up just about perfectly. So let's see. But there we go. And you can see we have a couple bubbles. So now if we want, we can use this card and we can work the bubbles out of our screen. So it's nice that we have a way to apply some pressure. You can also just use your fingers if you want to work on getting any of the remaining bubbles out of the screen. But you can see we can just press them off to the side. And if there's one pretty far in here, you might have to really work with it for a minute or two and really force and push it to the edge. I recommend using the card when possible, but you can also use your fingers as needed. And then if you're happy with how everything looks, then you can go ahead, you can remove that top layer, and there you go. We have successfully installed our tempered glass screen. So here's a close-up look. There's going to be a lot of glare, but you might be able to get a feel for how good of a job we were able to do and apply with this screen protector. So very happy with it overall. There's a little spot right here I've continued to work on. I think I got it as good as I can. I may have had a little bit of some dust there, but it actually looks really good. So I'm very pleased with it. Now let's go ahead, let's power on the switch and see how it looks with the screen illuminated. Now you can see what it looks like with the switch powered on. The screen looks great with the protector, no issues at all. No air bubbles or anything like that. Very, very happy with the image quality and how clear and transparent this tempered glass screen protector is. So just remember to take your time cleaning the screen and you'll be all set and ready to go. It's a complete kit. Everything works great. I do want to point out and mention that for some reason in the user guide and on the actual blue stickers themselves, it says not to use them on the Nintendo Switch, but I love using those stickers on phone screens and the Nintendo Switch to help get rid of any extra dust that is on the display. It's worked great in my case, so I'm not sure why they say that. You can follow that guide. You can use the microfiber cloth. You can really do it however you want. I would just highly recommend that you spend the most time prepping your screen and getting it ready to set yourself up for the most success putting the protector on, but you will do great. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.